Hello everybody, getting ready to do 10.3 for Geometry 1 Math Part 1. 30, 60, 90 triangles. We got 5 points of note taking. Then we got 36 points of classwork on our classwork sheet. Here is our standard. Today's bell work, teachers. Here is today's bell work. Write the fraction as a decimal, students. Simplify the radical expression, students. Give your students 5 minutes. Okay, welcome back. Here is 4 over 9 equals 0.44444. So that would be the decimal for 4 over 9. And then from down here, we knock it down to square root of 25, square root of 10. 5 times square root of 10 would be the simplified form of radical 250. Okay, a right triangle with angle measures. Students, this is on your classwork sheet, page 1. A right triangle with angle measure 30, 60, 90 is called a 30, 60, 90 triangle. Activity 10.3 shows the ratio of length of the hypotenuse 30, 60, 90 and to the length of the shorter leg is 2 to 1. So in this case here, from your hypot to your short leg is 2 to 1, and then we have B here. Okay, so students, in your own words, define a 30, 60, 90 triangle. Okay, into our first example here. Example 1, find the leg length. In a diagram above, this is above in this case, triangle PQR is 30, 60, 90, 30, 60, 90, with PQ equals 2, PR equals 1. Find the value of B. So we need to find this value here. Use the Pythagorean theorem, leg squared plus leg squared equals hypot squared. So in this case here, we got 1 squared plus b squared equals 2 squared. So we're trying to find this here. We end up with this. 1 plus b squared equals 4. B squared equals 3. So b equals square root of 3. So in a 1, 2 square root of 3 triangle, that's kind of like almost your basic 30, 60, 90 is a 1, 2 square root of 3 triangle. In this case here, first got to practice, find the lengths, find a value of x. In this case here, students, this is yours here. Teachers, give your students 5 minutes to find x in both of these 1 and 2. Okay, welcome back. Here is your shorter leg. It would be 3 times square root of 3. Longer leg equals shorter leg times square root of 3. So this is our shorter leg here. Longer leg would be 3 times square root of 3, 3 times square root of 3. And then the same thing down here, 10 times square root of 3 for x. 10 times square root is longer than this. That would be our longer leg here. Okay. Because all 30, 60, 90 students, this is page 6 on your classwork sheet, are similar, the ratio of the length of the longer leg to the length of the shorter is always square root of 3 to 1. So in this case here, we have this case here, 6 and 6 times square root of 3, and then 12 for a hypot. And then in this case over here, 5 for the short leg, long leg is 5 times square root of 3, and then we have a hypot here of 10. Theorem 10.2, 30, 60, 90. The hypot is twice as long as the shorter leg, and the longer leg is the length of the shorter leg times square root of 3. So in this case here, this puts it using some symbols here. Hypotenuse 2 times the shorter leg, 2x. Longer leg is leg times square root of 3. So it's really based around x here, is what it is. 2x here, and then x times square root of 3 for your longer leg. Example 2, find the hypot length. 30, 60, 90 here. We got a short leg here of 12. So find the length of the hypot. 30, 60, 90 is 2x. So 2 times shorter leg would equal your hypot here. And in this situation here, that'd be 2 times 12 would be our hypot here. 2 times 12 would be our hypot. That would be 2 times 12 would be 24 for hypot. Okay, students, finding hypot lengths on this one and on this one here. So, give you 5 minutes to do this. Okay, welcome back for your solutions here. Hypot equals 2 times shorter leg, which is 8. So it'll be 16 for our hypot from our short leg. And then here, our short leg is here. We do know our long leg here. So our longer leg equals shorter leg times square root of 3. 12 times square root of 3 equals short leg here times square root of short leg times square root of 3. So we know our short leg is 12, and then our hypot is 2 times 12 here. It would be 2x. This would be our x here. Be 2 times x for our hypotenuse, which would make this 24 here for this one. That was 10.3. Part 1, Part 2, Part 3 available here. Thank you.